Hello everyone, welcome to Saidbyte Technologies. My name is Saidbyte and I am a software developer and the founder of Saidbyte Technology. On this tech channel, we will be developing web application, website design, and tech tutorials on web applications and website design as well. At Saidbyte Technologies, we build professional website design, web applications, custom web application, and we automate your website for business owner. We also run Saidbyte Tech Academy, where we teach junior developer or someone intending to be a developer or someone that is into tech and wish to grow his tech career to be a professional. This channel is for you if you are a business owner that wants a professional business website or web application, someone that wants to a beginner that wants to be a professional web developer. Kindly stay tuned. This is our site, Saidbyte Technologies site. We do this and we use this technology to train. We don't just train using theory, we train using the real world project. We develop this and we use this same technology to train our students. Schools can register here. We also look at this as well. This part of our project as well. You see, this is Saidbyte Tech Academy site. These are what we take. Kindly subscribe to our channel, and if you want a professional website or web application, kindly use the engagement link in the description to engage me. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.